look, what are we really doing to break it down at its root cause, understanding here that the debt is going to vastly inflate from where we are. It can't stop ever. So realizing that, we need to just do the opposite, take the opposite side of the equation. And to me, I've been telling everyone since literally I sat down and started talking, to bet against this debt, become your own central bank. And initially, as you just said, the key components were get into physical assets, gold, silver, and then came cryptocurrencies. And it took a while for me, honestly, to come around to it and understand it. I'm an old school guy. I'm not young. So, but I think I have a very good handle on it now. And I've been telling people for a very, very long time to hedge yourself, keep yourself hedged against what is coming, because it's gonna implode. We're gonna get a debt market implosion on an unprecedented scale. People don't realize what's coming. It's gonna be by design, nothing by accident here. And you need to be in assets like gold and silver and Bitcoin and other big cryptocurrencies as well. Several of them. I don't think people should have all their cash in any one particular one. I happen to own all the big ones, honestly. I think most people who follow my work are well aware of that. I just started to build a new position in Dash. I happen to like Dash. I happen to know that some big players are buying this stuff. So I want to be on the same side as they are. But absolutely, this is what people need to do. Understanding the situation that debt is going to continue to inflate. There's no end in sight here. Something I've warned would happen since forever, that they can expect to see this, the inflation that we're seeing right now. And it should be no surprise to anyone. But I think people are frustrated looking at the price of precious metals, the price action, which has no bearing on reality. We have the world's largest bank by assets, rigging the market, pulling it any way they want to via the derivative. I mean, have you ever heard of such a bizarre situation where you have a hard asset deriving value from a derivative? It's upside down. Shouldn't be like this, but that's the way it is. And I always tell people, embrace it. Let them play their game. We're going to play our game. And the game really today still remains risk on, meaning cash is making its way into the equity market, and it's making its way back into cryptos quite obviously. I do believe we're going to see Bitcoin again at a new record high, and way, way higher than that, and not too far off. So look, we're in a bunch of assets, all of us here that understand what's going on here, betting against the debt, becoming our own central bank, getting into this market as well, owning large cap dividend paying stocks. Let these companies pay you to own their stock. Market's going higher, market's going much higher. There's no doubt about it in my mind, as long as the debt keeps inflating, which it will. And as long as we keep our eye on the credit market and the debt market, we have a very good idea and window as to what we should be doing right now.